Hey friends, if you wish to access free training material for Microsoft Word, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So here's what you have to do. First of all, go to the Help tab on Microsoft Word itself. Okay, and there is something called as Show Training. So click on this and wait for it to load. Now, why does it take time to load? Because this training is being picked up from the internet. And this gives you complete access to training. So you can go to quick start and then start with the training material. So this is the official way. It will teach you how to create a document, collaborate in Word and everything. And they are picking it up directly from support.office.com. So if you want it specifically, then you can also go to support.office.com. Okay, and then check it for Microsoft Word. So if you want to get specific information direct from the source, you can get it from here. So this is one thing. And then other than this, you can obviously check for uh, Microsoft Word tutorials on YouTube. And then see, here's the thing, we will also be introducing a few tutorials. So you can go to the Skills Factory tutorial or the Microsoft 365 tutorial on YouTube. Okay, wait, I'll show you. This is the official one. The channel is Microsoft 365 and it has tutorials for Word. If you want it more, then you can simply go to this option here and then search for Word and you will get all the tutorials here. Okay, Microsoft Word 101 playlist. It will show you all the Microsoft Word tutorials. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.